Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Programming Hub. Today we are going to discuss an interesting program which is very much useful, and this concept is very much useful in the different type of other programs. So let's start. Okay, so as you can see on your screen, here is the I have already written all the program. So I'm just going to explain each and every statement in detail. Okay, so let's get started. So as you can see on your screen, first line is the commit line that tells the user for what all the program is all about. So this program is all about the write a program to reverse the three-digit number. Means suppose you are giving in the output section, giving some data to the computer. Likewise, you want to reverse the digit like 123. So in the output you want 321, the reverse of the three-digit numbers. Okay, so you can reverse the large numbers also by using the large long integer data type, but here we are just doing the three-digit number reverse. Okay, so suppose in the output section you want the reverse of any three-digit number that we get in the output section. Okay, so let's get started how to form a program for reversing the number. So these two lines, as you can see on your screen, are the library function hash include studio.h and cn conio.h, standard input output and console input output header files. These both are the library functions. So now to the next line, this is the void main function. Means this is the main function of our program. So here I have written void because I don't want any written value here. There's no need of any written value and there's no need of argument. That's why these brackets are empty. Okay, here is an opening curly brace of the void main function, and here in the first statement is integer data type. I have passed here integer data type, and inside that data type I have passed two variables called no, means simply the short form of number, and rev, a short form of reverse. Okay, after that semicolon at the end. Here I have used clear screen command so that we don't want any previous results values in our output section. Okay, here is the printf statement. Printf enter any number. Here means the system asks the user to write any value. That's why we have written scanf function here. Scanf %d and no, means whatever the value user type is assigned to the variable no. Okay, number variable. Now here is our start of the loop, while loop. In this program we have used while loop. This is the syntax of the while loop: while brackets, and inside the bracket there is a test condition. Here the test condition is number should be greater than 0. Okay, and after that closing curly brace, and here rev is equal to number modulo 10, then printf value of reverse, whatever the value of reverse here it is, and after that number is equal to number divided by 10. Now I'm just going to explain how it works, how this loop is used so that we get the reverse of any digit. So first of all, in the program, it is in this program, first of all, while this condition checks whether the number is greater than 0 or not. This condition, okay, checks whether the number is greater than 0 or not. Now this condition that rev is equal to number modulo 10, what it does, it finds the remainder of the number and get the last digits. Okay, so whatever the number you typed in the output section, suppose 123, so 123 modulo 10, answer is 3, so that 3 must be written. Okay, so after this step we place the last digit at the first position at the unit place. Okay, now using this printf statement, printf %d rev, we we write that value of 3. Okay, now what happened, again we divide the number by 10. This number is equal to number divided by 10. Okay, and the value are stored in the no number variable, this no variable. Okay, then now here the value of no variable changes. So whatever the value here no is, now it changes. So first the value of no is 123. Now what is 123 divided by 10? It's 12 only. So now the value of the NO variable becomes 12. Now what happens? Now we have a new number which have all digits except last digit, which is 3. Okay, again the while loop checks the condition that whether that number, whatever number we have remaining, is greater than 0. Yes, if we get the result as true, then again this loop circulate and again check while loop and find reminder. Okay, again and again it finds the reminder, and that value is in printed after is printed in the reverse statement. Okay, same process is repeated again and again until the conditions are true. Okay, suppose after all the three numbers are written, that 3 2 1, after that when number is 0, so 0 divided by the number becomes 0, and 0 is not greater than 0. That's why this while conditions become false and loops over, and here is the end of the program, gtch and closing curly brace. In this way the program again and again checks the number, whatever number you type, it must be modulus of 10. It gives the last digit to the first position, then you print that first position, and then you divide that number with the 10, and you whatever you got are the remaining numbers except that number that have printed in the reverse section. Okay, I know this is kind of complicated, but when you understand it on a output section, you can easily turn it off. Okay, so let's run this program by pressing Ctrl F9. Okay, here we only use three numbers. Here the system first of asked me write any value, so I'm writing like 456. So the reverse of this must be 654. Okay, 654. So let's enter, and we got the reverse of this number. Okay, so this is how about, again I'm doing Ctrl F9 one time run, then and just pressing 4 digits number. Let's see what happens. 7890. Enter. 0987. Okay, it works on the 4 digits number also. So this is how all about how to reverse the number that we write in the output section, that the user gave any value and we are reversing that number. Okay, so using the while loop. So now I'm just going to close this video. This video is going to an end. So I hope guys you all understand how to reverse a number using the while loop. And if you have any query, then let you have to think only this part only. You have to understand this part only. This is the main part. This is the main logic behind all this reverse of the 3 digit or 4 digit number. Okay, you have to take a pen and paper and then check whether these conditions, how these conditions are going to be performed in the system of the computer. Okay, so I hope guys you all now understand. If you have any query, ask me in the comment section. Okay guys, so thank you for watching my video. Sure to like, subscribe and share to my YouTube channel. And now I'm just going bac from this Turbo C software, and the shortcut key for that is Alt X. Thank you guys.